top 7 natural oils to stop proteinuria quickly and heal kidney fast. Did you know that the oils sitting in your kitchen pantry could be the key to healing your kidneys? Yes, you heard that right. Welcome back to Health Tips, your go-to channel for the best health tips and natural remedies. If you're battling proteinuria and looking for natural ways to support your kidney health, you're in the right place. Proteinuria is a condition characterized by an abnormal amount of protein in the urine. It's often a sign that your kidneys aren't functioning properly. Healthy kidneys typically filter waste products from your blood while retaining essential substances like proteins. When the kidneys are damaged, proteins can leak into the urine, leading to proteinuria. This condition can be caused by various factors, including high blood pressure, diabetes, and certain kidney diseases. Left untreated, proteinuria can lead to further kidney damage and chronic kidney disease. But don't worry, nature has some powerful remedies to help manage this condition. Today, we're diving into the top 7 natural oils that can help stop proteinuria quickly and heal your kidneys. Stay tuned because number 1 on our list is something you might already have in your kitchen. 7. Olive oil. First up at number 7 is olive oil. Often hailed as a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, but did you know it's also a powerhouse for kidney health? Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. These properties are crucial because inflammation and oxidative stress can worsen kidney function and contribute to conditions like proteinuria. Additionally, olive oil contains antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which protect your kidneys from damage. To make the most of olive oil, use it as your primary cooking oil, drizzle it over salads, or even add a spoonful to your morning smoothie for an extra health boost. 6. Coconut oil. Next, at number 6, we have coconut oil. This tropical oil is known for its unique composition of medium-chain triglycerides MCTs, which are easier for the body to metabolize and don't put as much strain on the kidneys as other fats might. Coconut oil's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it particularly beneficial for those with kidney issues. It helps reduce infections that can stress the kidneys and also helps reduce inflammation. Incorporate coconut oil into your diet by using it in your cooking, baking, or even adding a spoonful to your coffee or tea for a creamy texture and a healthful boost. 5. Flax seed oil. At number 5, we have flax seed oil. A true nutritional powerhouse, this oil is incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid ALA, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and support overall kidney health. Omega-3s are essential fatty acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own, making dietary sources like flax seed oil crucial. Regular consumption of flax seed oil can help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve kidney function. You can add a tablespoon of flax seed oil to your diet by mixing it into yogurt, incorporating it into salad dressings, or blending it into smoothies. Just remember to keep flax seed oil refrigerated to maintain its nutritional quality. 4. Pumpkin seed oil. Coming in at number 4 is pumpkin seed oil. This vibrant green oil is derived from pumpkin seeds and is a treasure trove of nutrients beneficial for kidney health. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, carotenoids, and essential fatty acids, pumpkin seed oil helps to combat inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can exacerbate kidney damage and contribute to conditions like proteinuria. Additionally, pumpkin seed oil contains phytosterols, compounds that have been shown to improve urinary function and support overall kidney health. Studies have demonstrated that regular consumption of pumpkin seed oil can help lower protein levels in the urine, making it an excellent choice for those dealing with proteinuria. You can easily incorporate this oil into your diet by drizzling it over salads, adding it to smoothies, or using it as a finishing oil on soups and roasted vegetables. Its nutty flavor not only enhances the taste of your dishes, but also adds a healthful boost to your meals. 3. Hemp seed oil. At number 3, we have hemp seed oil. An incredibly nutrient-dense oil that is often referred to as nature's most perfectly balanced oil. Hemp seed oil is packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in the ideal ratio for human health, which is crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting the repair of damaged kidney tissue. These fatty acids are essential for maintaining the structural integrity of cell membranes, including those in the kidneys, and for reducing inflammatory processes that can harm kidney function. Moreover, hemp seed oil contains gamma-linolenic acid GLA, a type of omega-6 fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory properties and can help manage chronic conditions that impact kidney health. Regular consumption of hemp seed oil can help lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and support overall cardiovascular health, which in turn benefits the kidneys. You can use hemp seed oil in a variety of ways. Drizzle it over salads, blend it into smoothies, or mix it into dips and dressings. Its mild, nutty flavor complements many dishes without overpowering them, making it an easy addition to your daily diet. 2. Black seed oil. Number 2 on our list is black seed oil, also known as Nigella sativa. This oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its remarkable healing properties. Black seed oil is rich in thymoquinone, a compound with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These properties are particularly beneficial for those suffering from kidney issues, as they help to reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. In addition to thymoquinone, black seed oil contains a variety of other compounds that support overall health, including essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Regular consumption of black seed oil has been shown to improve kidney function, reduce protein levels in the urine, and support the body's natural detoxification processes. This is crucial for individuals with proteinuria, as it helps to alleviate the strain on the kidneys and promotes healing. To incorporate black seed oil into your routine, you can take it straight by consuming a teaspoon daily, or you can mix it into honey or your favorite beverage to mask its slightly bitter taste. It can also be added to salad dressings, smoothies, or even drizzled over cooked vegetables. Just a small daily dose can make a big difference in your kidney health, making black seed oil a powerful ally in the fight against proteinuria. 1. Fish oil. Finally, at number 1, we have fish oil, the superstar of natural oils when it comes to kidney health. Fish oil is renowned for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly icosapentaoic acid EPA and docosahexaenoic acid DHA. These fatty acids are essential for reducing inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. Chronic inflammation is a significant factor in kidney damage and proteinuria, and the anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s can help mitigate this damage and promote healing. Numerous studies have shown that regular intake of fish oil can lower protein levels in the urine, improve kidney function, and slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. Omega-3s also help to lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health, which is crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function. Fish oil supplements are widely available in both capsule and liquid form, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. For the best results, aim to include a daily dose of fish oil in your diet. If you prefer natural sources, consider adding fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, or sardines to your meals several times a week. Alternatively, high-quality fish oil supplements can provide the necessary omega-3s without the need for frequent fish consumption. By making fish oil a regular part of your diet, you can significantly support your kidney health and reduce the symptoms of proteinuria. And there you have it. The top 7 natural oils to stop proteinuria quickly and heal your kidneys, with fish oil taking the top spot for its unparalleled benefits. Incorporating these oils into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your kidney health and overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key, so be patient and make these oils a regular part of your diet for the best results. Thank you for joining us on Health Tips. We hope you found this video informative and empowering. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more natural health tips and remedies, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Your health is our priority, and we're here to support you on your journey to better health. Until next time, stay healthy, stay positive, and take care of yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.